welcome to Love to Caricature. We are today opening up a ScreenArtist box that is for Paperfeel like detachable screen by ScreenArtist using Adsorption, it says. I could be reading it wrong. This is for the iPad mini 5th generation. I'm really liking this box. Very well done packaging, beautiful illustration in the front. This was a kind of surprise buy because I could not find any other screen protector. This comes with a mat to clean your screen, the actual detachable screen protector itself, and a QR code. This also comes with a folio. It's actually inside there, which you will see when I take it out. This is for iPad mini, and for this generation, I bought this at the marketplace just recently. Still works really well. I just wanted to get a screen protector, so please don't think that I bought this like 3 years ago. No, I just actually bought this just recently in 2022. And this is for the iPad mini 5th generation. I am using Ibis Paint as I don't have Procreate. I'm actually really liking this pad that they give to me to clean the screen. It's very big, it's very high quality, loving it a lot. They don't usually give that to you. It gives you a folio. This is a folio that's of really high quality, plastic, keeps it rigid, and does have a Paperfeel like screen. As I was doing this, I was actually looking for the removable plastic, usually that has Nano section on the sides, and it doesn't. And I was like, okay, I wonder how this is going to stick. And though to my surprise, it actually stuck on like a second skin. I was like, wait a minute, is this for real? I took it off back again I'm like, oh, okay. So, and I was like, okay, this is actually really good. I was very surprised. I was really surprised because I had used the Elecom Smooth and Bond before. Now I'm going to try this out. I'm going to be drawing some things. Forgive the drawing as I have not used Ibis Paint very often. This is actually probably like maybe a 5th try in learning how to use Ibis Paint. So I'm just starting to learn to use Ibis Paint. I am not planning to put Procreate on this, I think. I don't really know yet. But I was going to stick to Ibis Paint on this. Now I'm using this, and just to tell you, this is a feel that was, wow, I was really surprised by the feel. This is between an Elecom Bond and an Elecom Smooth. It wasn't too smooth, it wasn't too rough, it wasn't too gritty, and it stayed on the iPad without any problems. It did not shift. It was wonderful. I was just so surprised by how well this was actually working with me. Now my drawings aren't that great. It's because I don't really know how to use Ibis Paint very well. I'm going to tell you. So, and not only that, this is a smaller screen. I'm used to making larger, broader strokes on a 12.9 iPad Pro, and it's a little bit harder on a smaller screen sometimes, but the screen protector kind of helped with just, a little bit more traction that I needed. Now, there are no bubbles, as you can see, no bubbles at all. It was actually really easy, also great to ride on, and it just, it was very smooth to ride on. Oh, let me take off this. Oh, I need to turn off this. Okay. Now, I'm coloring here with Ibis Paint, and as you can see, there is a slight frostiness, but in real life, it is actually very clear. Compared to the Elecom, frostiness is actually not bad. I think it was frostier on the Elecom, but it could be because it was also on a bigger 12.9 iPad Pro screen. This is much more crisper on using a video. I'm actually using the iPhone 13 Pro to record this. So the image is clear with a slight frostiness. on the screen, and it's almost the same as Elecom I see, but this is a little bit crisper. Don't know why. Could be because the texture compared to the two, and just it's not like it's gonna hurt anything unless you're wanting a very clear, concise picture. I would actually rather use this probably if I were going to videotape me drawing, but it is a bit small. I like the 12.9 to draw on. So what I like about this is that I can take it off and put it back on again. I can reuse it. I don't have to like throw away the plastic once I put it on. If I had to take it off again, I can actually put it back on. It's actually still on my iPad mini. I use it all the time when I'm writing or drawing. It's such a dream. I kind of wondering if I were to actually compare this to the Elecom on a 12.9 iPad Pro. I kind of wonder if it will actually beat the Elecom, because I was so pleasantly surprised when I opened this. I liked it so much that it wasn't too smooth, it wasn't too rough, it was it just absorbed. I was enjoying drawing on it. I literally felt like I was drawing on paper. This is like a really great quality product. Loved the box because I was actually always afraid using the folio, but the box will basically protect the screen from any outside dents and stuff, because if this dents, it just kind of ruins the plastic. Then you'd have to buy another one, but they give you a box so that it doesn't get dented or anything. So if you're thinking of buying one, I actually highly suggest this one. I actually like it, and not only that, if you have an iPad mini, this is actually quite cheap. It's about $24. It's almost the same as Elecom. I think Elecom was slightly cheaper, but that could have been because it was on sale at the time. But the paper-like feel on this is like wow. I mean, like wow. It's really, really nice. I like drawing on it. And so when I say I like drawing on it, it means I'm going to use it more often. And as you can see, I'm trying to ink in MS Paint in this small, tiny screen. But it was actually quite nice to be able to do that. And yeah, I highly recommend getting the ScreenArtist version because of all the things that I was able to do. Now I'm going to basically just write, and you guys can listen to the scratchiness or the texture that you're going to hear, so you can hear how loud it is. It's pretty on par for pretty much anything that I've been using. Elecom's a little bit quieter, but this could also be because my gain was pretty high on my iPhone 13 Pro on this. So yeah, listen up, and if you want to hear just how it sounds when I'm writing. Well, I hope that this kind of helps with your decision making on what kind of screen protector you would like. I highly suggest getting the Nano section or the Adsorption compared to the ones that have a sticky backside, because number one, you'd have to throw it away if you didn't put it on correctly, and you always get bubbles and stuff. These ones, like the Nano section, the Adsorption, especially from the ScreenArtist, they're reusable. They're able to be cleaned, and you can reuse it again over and over unless you make like a big dent on it or something. And with the ScreenArtist has a box, it's just really nice. So I hope that this helps in making your decision what kind of screen protector you would like to get. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment section, and I'll also put a link below so you can check out where to buy this on Amazon. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.